Hey guys, today we're going to be going over 3 things that make YouTubers quit or fail on YouTube. If this is your first time here, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content and YouTube related topics. Stay till the end of the video and there's going to be a huge announcement for something that's going on with my channel. So yeah, that's all for now. Let's head into the first thing that make YouTubers quit or fail on YouTube. Okay, so the first thing that make YouTubers quit or fail on YouTube is setting their goals too high. If you're just starting a channel and you set your goal to 1,000 subscribers right away, you're not going to get that right away. You're going to get maybe 1 or 2, and you're going to feel frustrated after like 10 videos and you only have 10, 15, 20 subscribers, and you're going to feel frustrated that you're not at 1,000 subscribers yet. And even if you've made quality content or interesting content, you might not even have 100 subscribers yet, but you set the bar too high, so you're frustrated. Maybe once you start off, set your goal to 10, and then set your goal to 20, and then 50, 100, 500, and then 1,000. This will help you not get frustrated, and you can keep making videos, and you won't get annoyed, frustrated with your results. So that's all for number 1. Let's head on to number 2. So tip number 2 kind of goes with yesterday's video. So on tip number 1 of yesterday's video, I mentioned that sub for sub was not a very good idea to get subscribers. So for today's video, the reasons why YouTubers fail is because they do sub for sub. They probably get 100, maybe 200 subscribers from it, but they're only getting 5, 10, 15, 20 views. And this gets you frustrated because you see 200 subscribers, but you only see 10 or 20 views. And this gets you frustrated and annoyed. I know I'm saying frustrated a lot, but like it does get you frustrated. And since you only see that, you were like, why is this happening? And you're gonna start making worse videos because you're frustrated and annoyed with how your channel's going, and then you're just gonna stop making content because you don't see why you're not getting views, and you just don't want to do it anymore because it's too much work for not enough value given back. So what is recommended to do is to just get subscribers naturally by making good content and getting people to subscribe. That's basically what you need to do. So that's all from number 2. Let's get on to number 3. So the third and final reason why YouTubers fail or quit YouTube is because they get burnt out. So what I mean by that is that they upload too many videos, or they just don't want to do it anymore. So because they uploaded too many videos. So if you upload too many videos or not enough videos, you either get so much work done that you wouldn't want to do anymore, and then you'll just be gone. Like, you won't want to do it for like a month or 2, and your views will just go right down, and so would your subscribers start losing some because you're not uploading anymore. And so what you want to do, you want to make a schedule. So I'm actually about to make a schedule. That's gonna be right after this. So you're gonna want to make a schedule so that you don't get burnt out. I would recommend maybe 3 to 5 videos a week. That won't get you burnt out. As long as you have a day or 2 off, you'll be fine. So that's the third thing. Now on to the outro. Okay, so my upload schedule is gonna be anywhere between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. Anywhere from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So the only 2 days you're not going to get videos is Tuesdays and Thursdays. So be ready to find some videos on the channel Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, check out the videos on the screen right now, and I'll see you guys later.